Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you a weight loss smoothie that you can try out. It can also be a flat tummy smoothie recipe that you have been looking for. With this particular smoothie, you can lose up to 3 to 4 kg a week, and you can also lose 2 to 3 inches off your waistline. So let me take you through the process and the ingredients. So right here we have lettuce, we have cucumber. I'm still going to wash them. This is green apple, this is lemon, this is pineapple, okay? And I also have ginger here. Yes, so these are all the ingredients that I'll be making use of, and I'm going to cut it off and I will show you. So I have finished cutting the whole ingredients. This is the lettuce, well cut. This is a combination of the pineapple, the apple, the cucumber, and here is our ginger. So this is the freshly squeezed lemon. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. So we'll be blending this right now with water, okay? Yeah, let's do this. First of all, I want to be blending our ginger first. Don't worry about my blender. It actually slipped off my hand, fell and broke. So don't worry about it. I'm still managing it that way. So this is I first of all want to blend the ginger so that it blends very well. I'll be adding a little bit of lemon. Don't worry, I'm adding lemon. And then I'll be adding water. Yeah, this is water, so that it can blend before I start pouring in the rest of the things. So right now, pour some water. So this is the amount of water I'll be pouring. So we'll be pouring it here, first of all. So that we can blend the rest. Yeah. So here is it. So now this particular one is filled to the brim. So what I will do is that I will need to blend it before adding our lettuce. So this is what I'm going to do. Remember that pineapple has water, cucumber has water, apple has water. So I'll be blending this first of all, then I'll be adding the lettuce. So I've added in our lettuce and I'll be blending. So guys, this one has finished blending and I want to pour in some of our lemon juice here. And then here too. And I'll be blending this together, and after I'm going to mix everything. Yeah. So right now we'll be pouring in the juice into the bottle so that it will have easy storing. So it's okay. Yeah. So this one is filled up. We'll be pouring in some here. So guys, these are the juice that we were able to get. We got 4 bottles. This one I'll be taking it right now. So these are the juice that we were able to get from all those fruits that you saw. Remember that you should minimize the amount of water you put in so that it will still retain its nutrients, because cucumber, pineapple, and all the ingredients that you use has water in them. So reduce the amount of water. Remember to blend very well. I know this ones you're seeing is nothing, but remember to blend very well so that when you're sucking your juice, you won't be sucking in chunky veggies or chunky apple and the rest of them. So this is our juice right now, and if this is a video that you love, Please remember to give it thumbs up, like, comment, share any of my videos if you like any, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.